Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles to I'm Zans. Currently on 293 subscribers. Hopefully we reach 300 on Wednesday, not Friday. 7 subscribers. Where are you? Good night.
Yes, I knew it. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be difficult. But we're gonna run. We're gonna keep on moving. Left, right. Left, right. Hey. Yana ya queen. Better you next. Oh, Fawena. Hey. Yes.
Y'all see that? Somebody put that water bottle behind my tire. They want me to bend over and pick it up so they can put jelly beans in my butthole. Nah, you're not gonna get me again.
Na brother, every day only share custom na grapi. Ay grapi. Ay
fana ka ware no vereka tata. Fana ka ware no vereka ditsa fana.
Ejo. Ke mamundo.
Bo kawana le tseo fana ka utlwella ne. Bo wena no nlukisetsa thika rabu wa ke. Rabu wa mfana ka rita wa ro bona ka di 7 mfana ka. Fana ka. Utisa tlela tse ha ona jacket jo fe mfano mara jacket mfana. Fotek tsara mu jacket. Ana teke to wena. Una VIP ka teke teke 100 rand na VIP ki 250 wena. Omo la re lu. Ora ka teke to ko shop no ka na wena. O ka no na le foka. Ora le foka le bella wena chico. Loko potso scotch mapuma wena o la bjana. Ai mapira re brati bo. Lukisa jo tsara overall mfana. Lukisane. Ora ka magwinya mfana ka. Rabu wa mfana ka ke ona kere. Every day. Basari. Ora ka basari ora brati. Lukisa ka. Padare mudit.
Excuse me. Name a color that starts with the letter M. Don't answer, Mlu.
Ming?
What's your message to people who keep drinking alcohol?
Don't forget to put ice in it.
Sir, excuse me. What is your greatest loss? Hair loss. Excuse me. In what sport do men run fast?
Responsibilities?
Excuse me. Name an animal that starts with the letter F.
Fried chicken?
Are you fast at math?
Yes, of course.
Okay, 40 times 45.
45.
Your answer is way off.
But that's pass.
What's the best skincare advice you've got?
Girl, the biggest skincare is removing the man that stress you out.
Now who made mass? Who made mass? For real. Who made mass? Who just woke up and was like, let's make some letters. Then I'm gonna put numbers on it. You know what? Let's put a square. Let's put lines. Let's put all the alphabets. Like when you out there sad right now, no one gonna give a fuck about like A, T, X, W, B, something. No. What I'm trying to say right now is that mass is just like, it's all unnecessary. You know what I mean? Like, no. Don't run to me telling me anything about mass. Like, no gang.
A ke bone botlolo la ngwana anong ke tsea ka go ke bone botlolo ngwana sa nwa mashi a ke bone botlolo ke tsea ngwana sa nwa mashi na ba go sa nwa mashi re tlo etsa plan yona re tlo etsa ke yes ena wa futla ge yo monna ke go etsa plan guys a ke re fifi ba sune re mba ba
Raul, bengizolanda imoto yami.
Avimba. Usho. Engine lwe. Yamova lwe.
Ya Raul, engine yale moto kanti ngifike kanjani la?
Avimba. Le engine le. Ngizamile kayi4 kuyifaka kule mova. Ayingeni. Ayemlungu. Uyibikile emadlozini engine le.
Ah, obvious Raul. But ke manje mina ngizoyenza kanjani? Ngizoya kanjani kuma training nasema gaming?
Istress sepirate sikwenza umoshe engine. Ayemlungu ngizamile ukuyifaka engine ayingeni mlungu angazi mina mfethu. Umova yakho uzobona wenzani nawe hayi. Angizamile. Ngende ngikhuzile ukuthi ungangishawutheli. Ngishawuthela kakhulu. Ungifakela pressure man.
Can you make yourself cry in 1 minute for a little prize? Whoever go first got it. Start. I gotta see the tears coming out your eyes.
batho ba peamba ba sa pea tsona mabale ke tlhora ka plate bo ba teng bo ikela kwa seta ko thwela ko seta ko exex kwa mo na le crash ko molong dijo teke di tse di ikela kwa guys go bolela PMP la ka le gopela please.
You gonna like me?
Yes, he's gonna like you.
Oh, so I'm nervous. Let me take my hat off, because I don't...
Hi, Dad.
Natalie, long time. Very long time. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
And this who is this?
This is my fiance.
Fion, what is it? What happened? Did they run out of film back in our country?
No.
Oh, they did not. So why is this colonizer doing standing in front of my door? What happened? Did not get tired from back then?
I'm in love.
Oh, you are in love. Exactly how they managed to deceive us. This is exactly how they managed to bring us into slavery. You deceivable fool, regenerated idiot. And you, sir, who are you? Who are your parents? And what do they do for work?
Well, my mom is actually a doctor, and my dad is an engineer.
And you are lying?
Yes.
Wow, congratulations,
Thank
sir.
you,
So
sir.
when do you plan on doing the wedding?
Actually,
What? The wedding? What made you change your mind?
No, don't worry, you're fine. I'll go and get the men some water. Wow, what a fine young man.
thank you, sir.
Come on,
Thank you,
come on
thank you,
inside.
thank you.
You can come in. Wow.
So I'm coming just now. Sorry, I'm just now. I'm coming. I'm just in the.
That's actually scary. Oh, okay.
Oh my God.